Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a minute since I posted, but I just want to hop on here and give you guys a quick lineup tutorial, how I do my lineups. So here I'm going to start with the C curve. I like to do two straight lines on the ends of each curve. So right here at the bottom, I'll do a straight line, and at the top, I'll do a straight line. And in my head, I just envision connecting those two lines to where it's not going to be too pushed back, but it's also not going to be too small to where it's like a slant. So right here, I connected them two, I cleaned it up. Now I'm going to go back and hit it with my straight razor, going against the grain just to make it as clean as possible, make it pop. Because with a nice line up on the side, like with a nice C cup, your fade is going to pop like crazy after, especially with the front lineup also. But using the straight razor is like a necessity. It's just all in the details, man. So when it comes to lining up the front, I like to pin up the hair depending on what type of hair the client has. In this case, with the comb over, yeah, I definitely need to pin up the hair, get out of the way, just make it easier for myself and actually make a nice straight hairline. So with this particular client, it's a little bit trickier to do start off his hairline, because I usually start it off in the middle, but he kind of has like the opposite of a widow's peak. So yeah, we're gonna start it off in the middle, and we're gonna go and spread off to the side, so we just have a nice even cut. Because if you start on one side, you might mess it up for the other side because you don't know how the other side is. Hair growth patterns are always way different than you think they are. So you might just be lining up one side, go to the other side, line it up, and it's super crooked. So I always recommend starting in the middle and going off to the sides. I usually always tend to go to the left side first because I am left-handed. So I'll do the middle and straight off to the left side. I like lining up the left side, but not all the way back to where it needs to, because I like doing my vertical bar first. I like lining that up and putting that in its place so I don't push anything too far back, because if you push back the vertical line, then you're gonna have to push back the vertical line. Did I say vertical? I meant horizontal. I don't need to. If you push back the horizontal line too much, then you're gonna end up pushing back your vertical too much. And so in this right here, I show you guys, yeah, I'm doing my vertical bar, and then I'll go and finish up my horizontal, just to make sure that that 90-degree angle is perfect. There we go. And I usually always hit this with a straight razor too. Yeah, but I did see a little bit of too much bulk that I did not need. Now we're moving on to the right side of the lineup. On the right side, I always look at my left side just to make sure I'm as symmetric as I possibly can be, because any small imperfection in the hairline, your hairline is gonna look either really slanted or really crooked. So yeah, like I always said, I do the vertical bar first and then finish lining up the horizontal. And yeah, right here I'm just gonna come in and clean that up with my straight razor. I love using the straight razor on the hairline. It just gives it that finishing touch, like it tops the cake. It makes the hairline just pop out that much more. So yeah, always make sure to stretch out the skin when using a straight razor, man. Can't stress that enough. There's an ash line forming. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's what I love using the straight razor for, man. Just makes my hairline look extra crispy. But yeah, this is the end result. And as you can see, it makes the fade pop just that much more, man. Appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you for tuning in. I'll catch you guys on the next video, man. I'm out.